I've partnered with Yes That's 3D Printed to release our own resin, WARGAMER. And this is a sharp and detailed resin, but it's also very flexible. It's low viscosity and it's water washable. I know, before you turn your nose up at that, I had the same reaction before I used it, because I also hate water washable resins, until I tested this. The resulting cured models are so similar to plastic miniatures that you can even cut and scrape down imperfections like support marks with a hobby knife, just like you can with mould lines. I've previously used Frozen's 8K resin because it's really sharp, but the drawback is, for miniatures, which I print, it's far too brittle and the models will easily break. And I'll be honest, I'm fed up of printing things for reviews that I'll never be able to actually use because that resin is just not practical, and this test result is pretty much on par with the Frozen 8K resin. And we've had some fantastic feedback on this already, so check the description for links where you can buy it.